Welcome to today's tutorial where I will show you how to create stunning 3D animation videos using AI tools without any software. Yes, it's all possible using smart prompts, AI generated videos and a little editing magic. So let's dive in and bring your imagination to life. Here is the final video. Each frame is AI generated and the best part is you can do this too, step by step. Now, let's start by writing prompts for each scene using Copilot or ChatGPT. These prompts help define the character's environment, mood, and animation style. I created 6 detailed prompts for 6 unique scenes. Here they are. To animate the images, I used AI tool. These tools can bring still images to motion and dynamic effects. I animate each scene separately, find turn duration. Once all scenes were animated, I combined in a video editor like Adobe Premiere Pro, and your 3D animation video is ready. If you enjoyed this animation process, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you want the prompt templates or step-by-step tools list. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating with AI.